is Poppy's back there doing? My guinea pig back there running around. Yeah. Anyway, of course I'm in my craft room slash pets room, so it's a bit junky actually. Melody in here somewhere. Yeah. Anywho, so I have another video for you, and I picked up something that I have been looking for ages. Well, ever since it came out, I think about 3 months ago. So I'm going to do a opening and a review, and I will try to include my kids because yeah, I don't know how that's going to work. So wait, let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So here it is, you guys. It is the Lalaloopsy bacon oven, and I have been trying to hunt this thing down forever, ever since it came out. And luckily I was able to find it at Target, and I did vlog, so if you want to see that vlog, I will link to it if I actually did upload it. Normally I probably didn't. So I bought the Lalaloopsy bacon oven, and I went ahead and purchased these as well. I probably should have purchased more because I went on Amazon. They had it for a lot more than what I actually paid for. So yeah, I have the birthday cake one, and I have the sugar cookie and chocolate chip. Yeah. Now I think this comes with the sugar cookie one. So anyway, let me go ahead and prop up my camera so I can go ahead and open this. Of course, this is pretty old, so I'm sure there's video on YouTube of this little kit, but yeah, hopefully you'll still like it anyway. And if you didn't know about it, then hopefully you'll like the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up and see. Thing that was in the box, we have this thing here, and it says stop here. You can see that. So yeah, I guess it's for when you put your things in here, and you put it in here and you stop there, right? Then we have this. We have these cute little spoons, and it says sprinkles. This little one. This one says dash, and then this one says pinches. And this one says big pinch. Well, big pinches. Super cute. Then we just have this cookie cutter or cookie mold. And here's the back. And we have the pan. And then we have the 4 packs of mix. So we have pink frosting, strawberry cake, heart confetti, okay, and Lalaloopsy sugar cookie. So the kit comes with both of those, both of these here, from what I see. Yeah, so the kit comes with the sugar cookie, but this one comes with chocolate chip cookies. So if you buy this, you get the chocolate chip cookie ones, and it comes with some confetti cake. So here is the paperwork that was in here. And it's just showing you some tips. Hand wash and dry the baking pan, cookie mold, and everything else. So I will do that. Yeah, so that's the button cookie mold there. Remove pan with that side, push pan in, insert pan, and it has an on and off switch. So it only has one movable part. Well, forgot about that. The measuring spoons, and yeah. And then this side shows you how to make the strawberry cake and how to make the sugar cookies. Seems simple, right? And then it comes with this register to win thing. Let me put all this to the side. Plug up the oven and wash everything off and come back. I'm back and I have washed everything out and got my supplies, and I'm going to have my 2 kids to help me make the products. But first, I want to take a better look at the oven itself. So as you can see, it's super cute. Nothing on here moves except the on and off switch and this here, and you can hang your teaspoons there like that. And then we have the tops of it, just have like these 4 things, and then you have this area here, and then you have a little clock there, if you can see that. And then here it just says enter, and then this side says exit. And of course when you turn it on, the switch comes on, it turns red. Then we have that side, and then we have this side. It's pretty much like an easy bake oven, and the back just looks like this. Again, I do have it plugged up already. So yeah, super cute. And of course you can play with this while it's turned off with your Lalaloopsy doll as well. So now for the fun part, I'm going to go ahead and start making the stuff. So, okay, so I'm going to attempt to let my kids make both of the items. So, Harmony, you're going to make which one? You want to make the sugar cookies or the cake?
The cake.
You want to make this? And so, Ariana, you will make the cake. So, let's see. Harmony, it shows you the directions here. So, Harmony, you need the strawberry one. Let's see, this one's for you, Ariana. We got the confetti, strawberry cake, and pink frosting. So let's put this over here with you. And you're gonna help mix it up. So I just have these disposable spoons and bowls because yeah, you just easily throw it away. Duh. Okay, so we give you a bowl, Ariana. Give you a bowl, Harmony. Spoon. Spoon. Mommy. You like it? No, I'm gonna taste. Watered down icing.
Bye, Cookie Freeze.
Tommy, what are you doing?
Yeah.
You like you doing something to me.